So this here is the rear end that came out of my race car. If you look, that's kind of old school looking bunch of older parts. Yeah, it still works, still good. This is the part that took a poop on me, being politically correct, those who are offended by words. So anyways, it took a poop on me. And if you look here, the gears got chewed up. That's bad. That's just poopy right there. Anyways, I mean, for the most part, this is probably salvage some parts off this, but I'm not worried about that because I'm moving on, bigger, better things. But first, before we get to that, we'd like to take this moment to thank our sponsors. Mainly this guy. He helps out quite a bit. Thank him very much. That's William H. Jackson, attorney at law. Please consider him for any of your legal needs. Again, his website is williamhjacksonlaw.com. Thank you very much. Other sponsors, of course, we got the fabulous Worry Free Lips with Reegan Mitchell. That's Worry Free Lips with Reegan. That's a Facebook thing. I don't know how to do all that. Anyways, her phone number is 775-209-3696. And the newest addition to our sponsor lineup is West Coast Oil. He's an AMSOIL distributor. Please consider West Coast Oil for all your oil needs. There's a couple other ones that aren't on here right now. Big thanks to Frank Wilson. He's my uncle. He helps me out. BP Drivetrain. Please consider BP Drivetrain for all your drivetrain needs. Factory 40 Apparel. Joe Wopsis. He helps me out with my shirts. Does a damn good job. Please consider Joe Wopsis for all your apparel needs. Alright, so this is the new, pretty, beautiful, new and improved, fanciful, and of course, expensive rear end. So this here is the quick change rear end, and then we went all out with Weir's products. We got the Weir triple shear bird cage on that side, double shear on this side, Weir fairing, chain limiter, Weir climbing J-bar mount, and the Weir climbing pull bar mount.
Can you explain to us the difference between the rear end that you had previously and a quick change rear end?
So the gears on this rear end, to change them out, which I do periodically from different tracks, this big takes 10 minutes, maybe less, and not that messy. Very easy to change out. The gear on the old car is this big old hunk of metal, and it's heavy as heck, and it's messy as heck. Oil everywhere, just a pain in the neck.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Can you explain to me what is all over our child?
That would be grease. I turned around for 2 seconds, and then he's lathering his whole body with grease. I don't know how he can be so fast at making a mess, but
It looks like it's like a combo of oil and grease.
it's all grease. I tried to wipe off as much as I could.
Oh, and mud.
Yes, and mud.
Jackson, are you all dirty? You got things to do? All right, thanks for stopping by.
Anywho, this rear end, the gears are smaller, lighter, much easier to change out. There's a larger variety of gears you can choose from, different gear ratios, and the gears are cheaper. So in the long run, it is cheaper to get a quick change.
How are you planning on getting that big hunk of metal up underneath there?
I can't disclose that because my wife is deeply sensitive for lifting this up there.
John Mitchell.
I'm just kidding. I'm gonna use the jack.
Okay, yeah. Tell the people what you done did.
I hurt my shoulder.
Mm-hmm. And you'll most likely end up having surgery on that shoulder, huh? Which is why this new rear end is wife approved, because it'll be a lot easier to change the gears, and I won't be hearing because he's stuck like last time.
Yeah, that was unfortunate. Very heavy gear. Became really, really heavy after about 30 minutes of holding up there trying to find the hole.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
No, just another big thank you to our sponsors. Our our folks that follow us on that Facebook page and like us and give us a bunch of views. So thank you. And, I'm not very good at this stuff. So
You could say goodbye now.
all right, goodbye now. More expensive things, of course, but. You say go?
I was pointing at you.
Oh, all right. Anyways, Jackson was holding up a package here of the Winter's Performance stud kit for the new quick change we're in, which I haven't put on yet. Anywho,
Oh yeah, grab the beer. That's important.
exactly. The other benefit of
If Budweiser would like to sponsor John, he's now accepting sponsorships.
Oh yeah, please grab some buds.